The right address: Mastering English Honorifics and Titles. Hello there, language learners. Today we're diving into a topic that can sometimes be a bit tricky, but is absolutely crucial to get right: honorifics and titles in English. Understanding these can help you show respect and politeness in various social contexts. Honorifics and titles are formal terms used to show respect when addressing or referring to someone. They can indicate someone's profession, social status, or marital status. We see them every day in English. Words like Mr., Mrs., Doctor, and Professor are all examples of honorifics and titles. Let's go over some of the most commonly used honorifics and titles in English. 1. Mr. used for adult men, generally over the age of 18. 2. Mrs. used for married women. 3. Miss, traditionally used for unmarried women, though it's becoming less common in favor of Ms. 4. Ms. can be used for women regardless of marital status, and is becoming increasingly popular. 5. Doctor used for people who hold a doctoral degree, such as PhD or MD, medical doctor. 6. Professor, short for professor, used for university teachers. 7. Sir, madam, used to show respect in a more formal setting, often in service industries. When addressing someone directly, use their honorific or title followed by their last name. For example, if you're speaking to a man named John Smith, you might say, "Mr. Smith, could you help me with this?" However, when referring to someone in the third person, it's common to use both their first and last names, with the title, like, "This is Dr. Emma Williams's research." It's important to remember that different cultures have different customs around honorifics and titles. In English-speaking cultures, it's often seen as polite and respectful to use someone's title, especially in formal or professional situations. If you're not sure what title to use, Mr. for men and Ms. for women are generally safe bets. And there we have it. We hope this video helped you understand more about how to use honorifics and titles in English. Remember, they're not just about formality. They're a way of showing respect and acknowledgement. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature. Until next time, happy learning!